Have you ever wondered why so many motorcycle riders die at intersections? In this video, I'm going to reveal why this keeps happening, what the one simple step is to avoid it, and how any level of biker can easily transform their riding style by using it. But first, we need to understand what an intersection is. An intersection isn't just a typical four-way stop we find in the middle of a city. It's also any driveway, alleyway, merge lane, parking lot entrance, or other situation where two roads intersect. Now that we know where this is happening, next we need to know why so many riders are getting killed at these locations. To do that, think about the last time you rode your motorcycle through an intersection where other vehicles were present. Did you make eye contact with the other drivers? Did you believe you had the right of way because you had a green light? Did someone pull out in front of you and cut you off anyway? These are just some of the reasons bikers are getting killed at intersections. So now the question becomes, what is the one simple step I can take to avoid getting killed at intersections? To help you survive, put yourself in the mind of the other motorists waiting to turn at an intersection. You've been growing impatient, waiting for several cars. The light is about to change to red. You look and don't see anyone else coming, and you decide this is your only window to make it through the light. So, you go for it. Then, tragedy strikes. This is an awful situation, but one that can be easily avoided if we as riders simply predict this type of behavior and the outcome. By anticipating it ahead of time, we will already be prepared and ready to react as soon as we see an intersection up ahead. Then if someone does pull out in front of us, we aren't surprised by it. So whether you're a brand new rider going through an intersection for the very first time, or you've been riding for 20 years and have seen it all, doing this will change the way you think and make you a much safer rider, not only at intersections, but everywhere else on the road. And the even better news is, you can start using this right away to help you and avoid becoming a fatality at an intersection. But unfortunately, intersections aren't the only place bikers are dying. So make sure and watch this video next to learn more tips for safe riding habits.